Hello again, it's me, Mrs. Santa Rosa, here to help you with question number 6 on day 2 of Unit 3. So in this proof, they give us SU and RT bisect each other. And so you need to think about what that word means, bisect. And so if you have a segment that bisects another segment, what it's doing is cutting that segment into two equal parts. So SU is cutting RT. SU is bisecting RT, so it is cutting RT into two congruent segments. At the same time, it says that they bisect each other, so RT is also cutting SU into two equal parts. So we'll mark those as well, so these two are equal as well. And so if you take a look at this, we now have two sets of congruent sides. And they want us to prove that triangle SVR, which is this triangle here, which I'll dot that in red, and this triangle UVT are congruent. So all we need is one more congruency. Now if you look at this picture, you might be able to see what that third congruency is. It's going to be the vertical angles. And so now we have a plan, a strategy, to be able to get these two triangles congruent. And it looks like we're going to be using the side angle side congruency criteria based on our picture, based on our markings. So it's really important for you to mark your picture with the given information, take the given information and translate into what that means. So the first thing we're going to do is restate our given. So we have SU and RT bisect each other. And that, of course, is true because it's given. From there, that led us to two congruencies. We now know that SV is congruent to UV, and at the same time, for the same reason, we also know that RV is congruent to TV. And the reason for that is that a segment bisector forms two congruent segments. And then I'm going to take that vertical angle and throw that into statement number 3. So angle SVR is congruent to angle, let's see, S to V to R is going to correspond to UVT. So angle UVT, and the reason is because vertical angles are equal or congruent. And then that gives us our third congruency, so we can now say triangle SVR is congruent to triangle UVT by our side angle side congruency criteria. And I'm going to leave you to describe the rigid motion that would map UVT onto SVR.